I'm David Hyner, and today I'm with Tim Woods. No, I'm not. This is Philippa Bowen, an old friend of mine. She's an entrepreneur and a coach consultant to businesses and business owners, helping them be more productive, have less waste, make more money. Hi, Philippa.
Hi, Dave.
You all right?
Yeah, very good. You?
Good. Yeah, I'm good, thanks, mate. So who or what is Tim Woods?
Tim Woods is the employee you didn't know you'd got in your business.
What does that mean?
Tim Woods is an acronym, and
Yeah.
it is the 8 wastes and the way that you waste time, effort and money every single day. Everything you do in your business, you can save time, effort and money. And I can show you what those wastes are, where you can save the most effort.
And does this apply to, say, a micro business just as much as a large manufacturer?
Absolutely. Every single person, single solo entrepreneur, right up to multi-million-pound huge businesses.
Okay. And can you give me an example then of perhaps part of the Tim Woods acronym that you've helped one of your customers with?
Yes. I was working in the public sector. They had a legal requirement to provide information to their clients and their customers within 15 days. They were averaging 36. And we looked at what the customer actually wanted from them.
Yeah.
And wrote the process to deliver that, and we got it down to 9 working hours within 5 working days.
Wow. What did that mean to the company?
People weren't going off sick, less stress, obviously less time, less effort, less money. They were producing less paper. It just made for a much happier work environment. And the customer was happy. They were getting what they needed when they needed it.
So you go in and through process improvement, you help people make more money, be more productive, be more efficient, make their customers happy.
Yeah.
And less stress. Winner, chicken dinner, guys. do you know what I call that? I call that a... So, Philippa, if people need this from you,
yeah,
how can they get hold of you?
Check out the website. It's got our contact details on it. It's businessignitiongroup.co.uk, or give me a call on 07885 610 228.
That sounded posh, didn't it? Hey, so if you're a micro business, by the way, what or who is the Tim Woods in your business? What can we all do today as an action takeaway to make ourselves and our businesses more productive, more efficient, make more money, make the client happier? I'll see you soon with Tim Woods on another Day's Desk. Sorry, thanks, Philippa. See you soon on another Day's Desk. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Then click the TV to watch the next video. Oh, and don't forget to visit our website at davidhyner.com to claim your free audiobook. Until the next time, go Rhino. Having it.